Hi, this is Randy Wimmer with Government Contracting Academy, and welcome to the Proposal Writing Masterclass. Today's topic deals with the RFP Shred. My experience during the last 2 decades, nearly a quarter of a century, has been that approximately half to 2/3 of small business bidders pursuing larger prime contracting bids are non-compliant. So what does that mean? That means they did not know how to do an effective request for proposal shred. So if you want to find the easiest way without any creativity or anything like that, just be compliant with the RFP. Address what they ask for. So take a look at this big circle right here. Those are the number of submitted proposals. A big chunk of those proposals are so horribly written and non-compliant that they are thrown out before they've even reviewed. They're all, the page count's wrong. They don't have the appropriate amount of documents and copies. They don't have the right sections. They didn't do it in the right format. Whatever it is, they don't even get reviewed. Now, of the ones that are reviewed, a big chunk of them are going to be determined to be non-compliant. You can eliminate up to 2/3 of your competitive field by simply following the instructions and addressing all of the requirements that are listed in the RFP. Now, understanding how to review an RFP will really help you out. It will help you make better bid decisions. I tell people that no matter how well you write some proposals, you'll never win because you never should have been bidding on it to begin with. And that is a very, very, very true statement. I was part of a bid team one time. I was a sub, a teaming partner, and I could tell the capture manager, he was like desperate, and he came up to me and says, "Hey Randy, would you have any recommendations, man? This is starting to go down the drain." And I said, "Buddy, the only way we're going to get off a 0% probability of winning this thing is to bid on something different. We never should have bid on this." And the guy kind of agreed, but we still didn't. He still couldn't pull the plug, just because. But so it can also help you find that needle in a haystack that is perfectly aligned with your company and where it is in your life cycle, where you're going to have the highest probability of success. So I hope this helps. It's one of those things that you just can't ignore, and yet about half to 2/3 of small business bidders do.